Hello, what's up, guys? For orders, please check video description. Okay, this is a TOOLTOP T7 256 192 Android Type C thermal imaging camera for solar panel power device. Full fault detect already 300 plus reviews, 1000 plus sold. 56% discount. This is the device, okay, and this is the price, discount price 56% discount, okay. 6 color palette and optional magnetic macro lens, and here is night vision scene. So if you want to buy this product, please check video description. Area temperature measurement and miniature and standard configuration, back box, mobile phone thermal imager, instruction manual, cleaning touch. So if you want to buy this product, please check video description. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please check video description for orders. Thank you.